Hello everyone, magandang oras sa atin lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magagandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, dito tayo sa history of the 1969 quarter na si George Washington. Ito yung 1/4 quarter or 25 cents coins ng Amerika to guys. So bago tayo magpunta doon guys sa ating mga ceiling online, dahil naglalakihan ang mga nakadisplay doon guys sa bariyang ito guys, alamin natin guys ang tungkol dito guys. Meron itong short history. At ito yun guys. The Washington quarts or quarters were issued for the first time in 1932 to celebrate George Washington birthday anniversary. John Flanagan's design defining both coins side won the competition. The simplicity of this design solution made minting easy and uncomplicated due to the thin relief. On the other hand, it required frequent hub modification. The first Washington quarters contained 90% silver and 10% copper, and their composition stayed the same until 1965. In 1964, the silver price significantly increased, making the silver coins very popular. That led to their hoarding, a severe shortage in circulation. The initial response to this situation was minting more coins, but it is severely emptied the silver stock. As metal prices continued to rise, U.S. President at the time, Lyndon Johnson, announced the decision to eliminate silver from quarters and dimes. According to the decision, the silver quarters were replaced with copper-nickel coins in 1965. The transition from silver to clad composition caused such a minting delay that the release of the first 1966 Washington quarters started in August 1966. Besides, the U.S. Mint struck only no mint mark coins between 1965 and 1968. During these 3 years, there were no prop coins minted. Instead, the U.S. Mint produced special strike quarters. Their quality was better than the circulated pieces, but not as good as the prop strike ones. Quarters from the special mint set had either special die preparation or unique way of planchet manipulation. At the beginning of 1967, the crisis slowly started to vanish when the minting date delay stabilized in 1968. The U.S. Mint continued re-releasing prop coins, opening the way the regular quarter mintage in 1969. However, the 1969 quarter were blameless because of an inadequate die condition, imperfect strikes, and low planchet quality. The features of the 1969 quarter. The 1969 quarter design includes George Washington profile on the obverse coin side. Designer John Flanagan placed the American eagle at the reverse, symbolizing a strong striving for freedom. And this is the obverse of the 1969 quarters. The Washington bust profile facing left dominates the obverse coin side. The design is John Flanagan's work, but the idea originated from the bust sculpted by Jean Antoine Houdon in 1786. The Flanagan's initials IF are imprinted under the central figure's right corner. The other obverse side details are Liberty above the bust and the 1969 below. The motto "In God We Trust" is positioned in the left area and aligned with the President neck. The rivers of the 1969 quarter, the riverside has a heraldic eagle, an archetype of freedom, with outspread wings dominating the field. The eagle carries a bundle of arrows in its claws and its head, and arrows are turned to the left. The olive branches representing peace are below the arrows. The arrows are well-known symbols of war. In the lower area, along the rim, is the denomination quarter dollar. The space above the eagle is reserved for the United States of America, struck among the eagle's edge. The space above the eagle is reserved for the United States of America, struck along the edge. The E Floribusionum is required motto, and you can see it between the eagle and the state name. Other features of the 1969 Washington Quarter: the round copper-nickel-clad 25-cent coin has a reeded rim. Its composition gives it a silvery color. It is a 0.95669 inches, 24.30 mm in diameter, and weight of 0.200034 ounce and 5.67 ounces. The 1969 quarters core is a pure copper covered with the nickel coating. The composition ratio is 91.67% copper and 8.33% ang nickel. The thickness is 0.069 inches, 1.75 mm. Examining the coin of determine its condition is known as the grading process. Various factors such as lock structures, contact marks, and die condition are considered when evaluating its pieces. Be prepared that the quarters show different degrees of wear. The most worn out or damaged pieces get a 4 grade, while those in the best condition are classified as perfectly uncirculated. The 1969 Washington quarters highest grade is Superb Gem Uncirculated rank MA 68, and it is very rare. The 1969 Washington quarter value guides. Most 1969 Washington quarter of 293,518,631 minted are in circulated condition. Their face value and current price are the sum $0.25 US, and uncirculated quarters value starts at $1 for an MA 60 grade coin and is significantly higher for excellent pieces. And the 1969 Nomentmark quarters value, the Philadelphia Mint produced 176,212,000 pieces. Example, the Washington quarter in 1969, and the value of the circulating coins from the grade extra fine 40 or about uncirculated 55 is $0.25. The uncirculated ones ranked MA 60 to MA 63 are worth $1 US for the $1.20, while the most valuable are specimens in the highest grades. The 1969 quarters in MA 64 grade is up to $2.40 US, and the MA 65 grade 9 up to $10.8 US, and the MA 66 grade is 70 to 84 US dollars. The most valuable are MA 67 rank pieces. Their price is $1,900 US and can go up to 2,400 US dollar in January 2015. The 1969 moment mark quarter in MS67 grade rates up to 3,290 US dollars at the Heritage auction. So yun guys, ang the most valuable highest grade with MS67 ay nagkakaroon ng 3,290 US dollars sa ating Heritage auction. So ito yung 1/4 dollar guys ng Washington 1969. Natawag na quarter dollar. Moment mark ito guys. Ang ating presidente na si George Washington ng United States. So bago tayo magpunta guys doon sa kanyang selling online, tapusin natin guys ang kanyang features. Ang issue nito is United States period Federal Republic 1776. Ang date type standard circulation coin. May taon siya na 1965 hanggang 1998. Ang value nito is 1/4 dollar or 25 cents. So sa Pilipinas guys is nagkakalaga ito ng 14 pesos. Currency may dollar siya. 1785 ang kanyang date. Ang composition nito is copper nickel clad. Copper. May timbang siya na 5.67 grams. Ang diameter is 24.26 mm. Ang thickness is 1.75 mm. Ang shape is round. Technique is mild. Orientation coin alignment. Ang number A number 55. Reference number KM number 164A and show number 168A. Mayroon din KM numbers A 164A. At ito yung ang ating obverse guys. The portrait of the left profile of George Washington, the first president of the United States from 1789 to 1797. Accompanied with the motto "In God We Trust" and surrounded with the lettering "Liberty." Note KM number 164A reprised after 1977 as KM number A164A. Script Latin lettering "Liberty, in God We Trust." GF 1969 no mint mark. Engraver si John Flanagan. At ito yun ang ating reverse guys. An eagle wings spread and standing on a shaft of groves or arrows with 2 olive sprays. Beneath the eagle is surrounded with the peace value, the motto "Et Pluribus Unum" and the lettering "United States of America." Ang script is Latin and lettering "United States of America, E Pluribus Unum." Quarter dollar. Translation out of many one. Engraver John Flanagan. Age readed 119 reads. Mint United States Mint Philadelphia 1906 and 1792. United States Mint Denver 1906 and Philadelphia 1792. West Point 1973 and San Francisco 1854. Comments: the standard weight of all quarters issued since 1965 is 87 1/2 grains. 1965 up to 1967 is no mint mark Philadelphia and Denver. 1969 no mint mark 11%. Mayroon siyang very fine na 21 pesos, extra fine na 62 pesos, about uncirculated 62 pesos, uncirculated is 62 pesos. Ang Denver Mint KM number 164A 8% at very fine 14 pesos. Ang extra fine 15 pesos. About uncirculated is 23 pesos. Uncirculated is 68 pesos. 1969 San Francisco 2%. Ito ay Frop coins. Walang presyo. At dito tayo guys sa ating online sa AB. Ay naka-display doon ang ating 1969 na Denver Mint ng 1,250 US dollars. Graded yun guys. So sa atin guys sa Pilipinas ay umabot ng 70,000 or 70,837 pesos sa Pilipinas guys. So yan guys ang ating nakuha mga information guys doon sa ating anomista.com at sa ating selling online sa IB. Yun ang ating short history guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.